All right, local swell trackers, it's Monday night, it's the 12th of December, and we've had winter caliber surf, 15 feet solid for the Billabong Pipe Masters, down to 2 feet today on Monday, ramping up Tuesday evening. Wednesday, we're looking fun from this guy right here that'll take a U-turn straight up to the North Pack through those Aleutians and be only bringing us in some 5-footers for Wednesday. A better shot on Thursday, 5 to 7, just marginal high surf advisory levels, and then the really serious swell, bigger than the last one potentially due to the proximity of the storm. Let's take, if you look, looking in the animations, you see that one again going up. This guy right here, though, takes a track east-southeast towards us with a captured fetch, and a fetch that's up to about 1,000 miles long, with some portions of the winds being severe gales and pumping out some large 30-foot seas and nosing, some of that fetch nosing to within 600 miles of us. That one will be 10 to 15 plus on Friday and 8 to 12 plus on Saturday, and then start to drop down to more manageable levels Sunday and Monday. Now we get something coming in from this guy way up there by the Kurils, and where it stays far up there, so we're not going to see a whole lot. But the jet stream is dropping. We'll show you that in a second, and it's fairly consolidated or zonal too, steering a storm every couple days, keeping us to winter averages or above. Now the swell periods generated by those systems we were just looking at. Here comes the first one for Tuesday evening. Wednesday will be 5 feet. Thursday again 7 feet. And then the real one comes in on Friday right there. We're sitting right here about 20 north. And that will be a series of really extreme swells on the outer reefs and light trade winds. What can we say? It's going to be going off. We have a little bit of swell activity trying to come up for the Tasman Sea, a very iffy 2-foot swell from the southwest on the 22nd-ish, and then a little something on the east side way down there by the Ross Ice Shelf, trying to set up a little something for Christmas Day or the day after. But those are, again, low probability. Much better, easier guess for the northwest swells. Okay, let's click in those animations there. There is the Tasman Sea swell that kind of situates there for a while, gives Fiji some fun. There comes that one swell up from the deep south, and that could set us up some 2-foot south-southwest again a day after Christmas. We'll wait and see. These might not make it up at all. You can look at the surface charts. This low pressure has a front associated with it, high pressure off to our northeast. The ridge is going to be nearing the islands, getting pushed, and that'll lighten up the winds to lighten variables with a slight east flow. There is this troughiness right over the islands, and that's creating instability and greater chances of rain. They've taken out the thunderstorm warnings. We're just looking at unstable weather through Wednesday. Then we're looking better for Thursday, Friday, and then back to wet weather as another front approaches for the weekend. And that's this one from the low that's bringing us in some waves midweek. And these are all the features right there on the surface, hand-drawn for you to see. Now we're jumping up with the water vapor loops showing features at 20,000 feet up. You can see the upper level disturbances and the flow of the winds going just the opposite in the upper levels as the trade wind flows down at the surface. There's the big spinner up there. You can see that one bringing in us in our waves for most of the week. Models are all pointing to it. As we drill down, tell you again, lots of cloud cover and potential rain, especially windward in Malacca for the next few days. Highs 79 to 80, lows 67 to 69. Trade winds again barely sticking with us for a couple days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then start to ramp back up Thursday and then freshen up for late Friday into Saturday and Sunday, along with extreme swell. And you can see quite a bit of rain activity in upper level low in the region. That will be going away and leading to better weather as we get towards midweek. And that's your local swell tracker. Be safe out there on especially Friday and Saturday. We'll catch you back here next week. Aloha.